Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we shall be looking at the time functions in Excel. So we're going to look at the today function, the now function, and all those are time functions. So basically what do those functions do? The today function, it will enable you to know the current date. For instance, you're interested in knowing today's date, and you just simply come to Excel, type in equals, type in today. Okay, so you don't have to close. You can actually just press enter and to bring today's date. Okay, so this date is subject to the system time. In tomorrow, if the next day you open your Excel, it will bring the date of that day. So it automates itself according to the current date. So it's as simple as that. And then the now function, it simply just returns let's just use the now function and see what it returns. So it returns the time and then the date. So still, if for example you opened this Excel function, okay, right now it's 22:13. So if I close and open it again after 2 minutes, it will not be 13, it will be 15. So still it's still also automated, it's automatic. So those are basically the functions I wanted to show you today. And this date function, you can always actually work around it also. There are also other more things you can do with this. You can change it to long date. If you're interested, long date. So what does long date do? Long date will actually return a long date. It's long, Saturday, August, first, has a lot of things. Still, you can define the format in which you want this to actually appear, because you might want it to appear the month first or the date first and all that. So you simply go here under the format, and then you say more formats, more number formats, and then date. So when you go to date, there are quite a number of formats you can choose from, and quite a number of standards. You can choose the UK standard, the United States standard, and there are quite a number. So normally I like going with the United Kingdom. I don't know why, but just why I like going with that. And then you choose whether to start. For example, here you start with the date, the month, and then the year. So you can choose any of these formats, and it will actually bring you that format. It's just simple as that. Just very simple. So sometimes you want to know, you probably have a date and you want to know the difference between those dates. Let's say we have date 1 here, maybe we have date 2 here. So this is 1st of August, and let's put here maybe 21st, 21st of December. So let's just do this, 31st of December 2020. So you want to know the difference or the period between these two dates. Okay, so it's in most cases just a simple subtraction. I don't know if it will work because the formats are okay. That's the difference. Those are the number of days. Those are the number of days actually. 140. 2 days, but instead I would have first done like this first, and then this to avoid the negative. This is what I would have done actually. So in some instances you might have to use the, so other times you might have data like this, and after copying and pasting in an Excel you have data like this, and you it seems like it's the same data, but these are dates, they're supposed to be dates. So you just simply come under format, and then you change this to date. So these were originally dates, but because I copied and pasted, and they became numbers. So let me try it again. Paste here. So you can see they are numbers. So I need to change this into dates. That's how it is. And so this was the order date. So sometimes we may be interested in knowing what date will it be after maybe 2 months or 3 months, especially when you're doing like appointment scheduling, or you want to, project, to predict the date, or to get an estimated date of something. You can use the edate function. The edate function returns the serial number of the date that is indicated of the number of months before or after the start date. So when I say edate, it returns the number of the date that is indicated, number of months before or after the start date. So let's say edate, and we click in reference in that cell of A3. So we want to see which date it will be after 3 months. Okay, now we can close. Okay, and now it comes like this. You need to change it to date first and see what date it will be. So according to this, we look at our order date was 6th of January 2019. So after 3 months, we see it has returned 6th of April. So let's double click and autofill. So that's how it works. You can even do 12 months and you could see what happens. So in 12 months time, it shows that actually it will be January 2020 now. It actually has jumped into another year. That's how amazing actually Excel is. With these powerful functions of edate, you can actually do much, much, much more. Okay. Yeah. So basically, you can also try still the other minus. I actually had showed you before, that date minus that. So you can see it is telling you that it will be 365 days. Okay, so that's quite amazing for me. It's quite really amazing, and these are 12 months. Okay, these are 12 months. Okay, thank you so much, guys, for watching my video. Please do not forget to subscribe for more of these tips. These tips are very helpful for you if you're running your career in a Microsoft Excel, and I would love to see you go to the next level. Thank you so much.